you so much for agreeing to speak with me now. You're attending the Spark Your Teaching Seminar, and I was just wondering, is there one kind of key learning from today that you would be happy to share with me?
I suppose the main learning for me today was that I've often felt I have been teaching and doing some tutoring in the past, and I'm getting into it more now in Department of Applied Social Studies, is that there is a wealth of support out there. There obviously is the support within my own department, but there's also other supports, external, and I suppose that interdisciplinary support actually is useful because it broadens the, I suppose the kind of the menu of where you might get support from. And that's probably one of the main things that I got from today.
That's a really great outcome for us, especially because we're very keen to engage with people and people to know what are the different ways of connecting with CIRTL.
Yeah.
So in terms of practical steps, maybe some of the ideas that were generated today, how might you bring those into your teaching?
One of the things I found quite useful was the resources, and I suppose one of the things I like doing is following up on, and I think because up to today I had been thinking about actually preparing for, say, the semester ahead, and wasn't sure where to go for resources, and today there's those practical resources. I also suppose it has sparked an interest in continuing that learning, and I suppose as an older person, coming back into that in itself is challenging and has its own challenges, but it also has its own gifts in a certain extent. And there was a sense of today of that kind of that there is support for the challenges if there is creativity and enthusiasm to go ahead with them.
Wonderful. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.